Welcome back once again. So, as usual, I request all the students to rename themselves appropriately. And today for the session, we have Dr. Ravindran. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please confirm the slide is visible to you?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, very good morning to dear professors and the PG students. So I'm very happy to join with you in the wonderful morning for the Center for Life Skill Education with regard to capacity building training on life skills for emerging leaders. So today we can have around 1 hour discussion with respect to the topic problem solving. Dear students, today, rather than the conceptual discussions, we will have an interaction. So please think one among you so that we can share some points with respect to the problem solving. Okay, so before that, can I see all the students? Can you please switch on your videos for a few seconds for my understanding, please? Okay, thank you. So I'm just confirming that I'm not speaking only to the computer, I'm speaking to the human beings. Okay, so thank you. Yes, dear students. So now you can switch off your video. So whenever you want to interact, you can switch on your video and audio. And if I call somebody's name in specific, so please respond. Okay, fine. So can anyone, so all of you can please list down what is your understanding about the problem. So in the chat, I think the chat is enabled to all. Okay, chat enabled to everyone. Can please all type your understanding about a problem. So because you are from a different stream, for a person from a statistics background, the problem is different. A person from MCA, the problem is different. A person from psychology, the problem is different. So what is your understanding about the word problem? So all can type in the chat. Just 2 or 3 words. Fantastic. An obstacle, a change, challenge. So I think here there are around 400 students are there. Okay, so if everybody take 30 seconds, I should be able to see at least 400 different answers. A difficult situation, a situation we need to tackle, an issue which requires a solution. Okay, obstacle, confused and challenging state, a situation to make a decision, a byproduct of the decision we make. Fantastic. And dear students, if you are putting in everyone so that everyone can see it. So if possible, all of you please put everyone. Try the everyone option. Okay, a difficulty, a problem is like how you see it. Okay, trouble. Difficult, a task or situation, challenges, opportunity. So one person is listing it as an opportunity, one person is listing as challenge. Great. A difficult to deal with, preventing something to proceed, a stressful situation, situation that need. Yes, fine. Yes. So I will check it out. The chat, I can read it later also. And I believe that the proctor is also going through who are all typing in the chat actively. Okay, fine. Fine. So there is nothing new. These are the few words I just grabbed from your words, what you are texting here. A problem can be anything difficult to overcome. Yes. A deviation from the expected standard performance. So these are the few definitions. There's no need to take exactly what it is. Okay, so it is a deviation from where we want to go as a standard of performance. And there is a two state of mind. We call it as a desired state and current state. Desired state means the state where we want to move on, where we want to land up, where we want to achieve. That is called as a desired state, that everybody is having a wish, a dream, will, need, demand, etc. But what is the current situation? So between the current situation and what is the situation we want to reach. So this gap between these two, somebody is called as a problem. And again, it is between where you want to be, like to be, and where are you know. That is a gap between, again, it's a present and future. Yes. There are other consolidation from your views, what you are texting. Okay. A problem can be, for one person, a problem can be, I have asthma, I'm not able to allow to play sports. I'm very much interested in sports, but physically I have a problem. That is a problem for one person. For another person, from the UG, I entered into the PG. So now I feel that my communication is not that much good because I'm having a problem in communication. I have a feel that everybody is having a good communication. My speech is not that much good. That is my problem, maybe for someone. And in my family, even I am doing everything right, but whether it is don't know whether it is my fate or something else, every time I am only the person getting blamed from others. For another person, as we spend nearly last 2 years in home because of the pandemic situation, we are able to feel closer to the family. We stay closer to the family. When we stay closer, we are able to see a lot of problems. So for example, some children start feeling that my parents like my younger sibling more than me. So this is the normal situation when we faced during our first standard, second standard. Because of the pandemic, again, this ego state got triggered. So they are giving preference only to the youngsters in the family. That is maybe the problem for us. And I have been trying to get me to help him to cheat in the competitive examination. Okay, so during the examination, we may have a problem. If somebody is helping us or we want to help others, we might cut into a problem. And after the pandemic situation, okay, so after the pandemic, before a pandemic situation, we are coming to the school or college, we are interacting with many friends frequently, 24 hours, we spend time with them. But during the pandemic time, there are very less number of people ready to speak. Even everybody is having a phone, even everybody is having a WhatsApp, video call, anything is possible. But who are all my best friends? They are not interacted during a pandemic time. They were with me for last 90 years. So I'm just missing them. That may be the problem for us. And for some people, they feel I am so slim, assuming that everybody are so fit. Somebody is another end of them. I am so fat. If I am slim, I am the happiest person, because both the ends are having this mental problem about their physique. And I generally experience headache, which is becoming more persistent during my exam hours or study hours. Okay, so whenever I open the book, I have more interest to read the book. I have more interest to listen to the classes, online classes. But when I open the Zoom or when I open the book, immediately there is something happening in the head. This is the problem for me. And I'm here, obviously you are in online, or few PG students came offline, but some offline students may feel, even I'm here for last 2 weeks or 1 month, still I am unable to find out a good friend. Even I am approaching friendship with many, I am unable to mingle with others. So these are the problems for few people. So the problem is common to everyone, but the situations and what is the feeling is differ. So these are the few things. So I request all the persons to think about any one very important problem that you are undergoing in your life or you come across that. So please think about any one problem that pains you a lot. Yes. So now I request all the students, as I said, so please take a paper. So please take a paper and pen. So because this class is just interactive and we are doing some activity among yourself. It's not activity to me, it's activity for you only. Okay. So can you please list your most important 5 problems to address immediately? So for example, if you are going to get a very superpower, you can resolve all the problems. Okay, so the God is coming in front of you, or you have a superpower. So can you please list down? Can you please list down the 5 major problems you want to overcome immediately? So I will give 30 seconds. So please think fast. Please list down 1, 2. So please write down the most important 5 problems. That may be about your health, that may be about your wealth, that may be about your family, that may be about your studies, your career, your relationship. Any 5 problems. So please, all of you have a bit of paper with you. Okay, so now, can you please rank it? So already you listed 5 problems. If you are unable to find out or list down the problem, yes, you are the happiest person. You are not having any problem, but you are a very rare species. But if you are able to write down the 5 problems, can you please rank, prioritize which problem should be addressed first? Are you able to do that? You written 5 problems. Now you just make it one, first one. After it is resolved, I'm going to the 2. After it is resolved, I'm going to the 3. Yes. So for understanding of this session, we just brainstormed a little bit about what is meant by problem according to you, and what are the major problems you are having. Among that, we picked 5 problems. From the picked problems, we listed or ranked in order which has to be addressed. Yes, fine. Second, I'm reminding, so please have a bit of paper, then write something. So at the end of the session, we should feel some changes, yes, some positive changes that should be created by yourself. Okay, fine. So now we will go through something about a problem solving. So how the definition goes is, a problem solving is a process of making something into what you want to be. So problem solving is very simple. And what is a problem? So again, I'm saying that problem is not only a challenge, it's not only an issue. So please understand that problem is not always a negative word. Okay, so for example, for a researcher who want to do a research, or who a person in our research and development, the problem is a gap you want to fill. For some people in marketing, for example, we will say marketing. So I'm a marketing person. Okay, so for me, a problem is the opportunity area. So I had a 5-year experience in marketing in different companies like PepsiCo, Goodyear Tires, Dabur India Limited, Airtel, BPL Sanyo. All 5 are different industries with different products. So only one mantra we always feel is, there should be a problem in the market. There should be some problem with the customers. So I have to identify the problem. I have to give the solution. That is my sales. Thereby, I give the profit. So if there is no problem exists in the market, none of the company will make money. Okay, so the problem is a process of making something into what you want to be. Okay, so please understand that problem is not always a negative statement. Yes. Or otherwise, the problem is the ability to solve problems, the basic life skill. It is essential to our day-to-day life at home, at school, at work. So problem is not only with respect to the research, problem is not only with respect to the statistics, problem is not only exist in corporate, problem is not existing only within you, problem is everywhere, with everyone. And unknowingly or knowingly, you are solving some problems every day, every second. Knowingly or unknowingly, you are solving a lot of problems. So getting up in the morning, it may be a very big problem for us. And coming to the college, attending the classes, writing the exam, and answering to the questions of the faculty members, and answering the questions raised by the parents, interacting with our friends in between. In between, I have to take care of my health, body, physics, my dream, my goals. So unknowingly or knowingly, we are finding some solution for all these problems. So problem is not a separate thing that we have to sit and address. Most of the thing will happen and we are solving it daily. So please understand that you are having a very good problem solving skills. It is suggested that everybody should increase their problem solving skill. So it is a skill. Problem solving, it is a skill. The problem solving about your problem, that is one category. Solving problem of others is another category. So as of now, till you are a student, you should be able to solve your problem. That is more than enough. If you are able to solve your own problem, first thing you should be able to identify which is the most important problem, and you have to rank it, which has to be addressed first, and try to find out the solution. If you are able to find out the solution, yes, you are very great, super. After going into the corporate life, after entering into the family life of your own, then only comes how you have to identify and solve the problem of others. So as of now, you should be worry about only about your problems and solution. But why it is important for all? Whether it's a children or a faculty or a student or a corporate person or an entrepreneur or a politician, why everybody should have a problem solving skill? If we have that skill, it will increase our intuition power. Intuition power means every time we cannot go to the books, every time we cannot go and pray, every time we cannot get somebody. So if we have some skills, suddenly something will spark in our mind at this time and will get resolved. And it will increase our brainstorming ability. So we have a superpower brain that was mostly used only for memorizing and recollecting. But we have to use that superpower that will increase because of the problem solving skills. And in terms of marketing or business, we should be able to forecast that will increase. And if you are into the organization, we can solve the problem. If we have a problem solving skill, everybody will come to us. They will trust on us. We will have a good credibility and we will be unique in the crowd. And we will become a very good decision maker. The first thing, we will develop ourselves. We won't bother about any challenges, and the confidence will be increased so that we can reduce our all possible resources. The resources mean men, money, material, machine, method. Okay, so whatever you are doing, whether doing a business or something else, we call it as a 5 M's. Okay, men, money, material, machine, methods. So men means people. So if you have a problem solving skill, you are able to minimize the usage of all the 5 resources and you are able to get the success. Thereby, your career opportunities also will increase. So the problem solving skill is a common skill everybody has to have, irrespective of your domain, and that will increase your self first. Fine. So already you identified 5 problems. So dear students, you are not just listening. I remember that you are writing also. I may call any one person to answer at any point of time with the video. So please kindly follow. Okay, so now already identify the 5 problems, the most important problems, and you rank that. So now please try to answer. Problem. Where is the problem? Okay. Who is the creator of the problem? Please write one by one for all the problems. Okay, where is the problem? Where the problem actually lies. And try to figure out why the problem occurs, either to you or to others. And what is the actual problem? If you want to define the problem, how will you define? Sir, I have a problem, I have a problem, I am not well, I am not well. Are you able to explain it? What is the actual problem? How it is affecting you? In the problem, which is the most important pain? And what are the situations? When? What are the situations you are facing the problem? Okay, so please try to answer where, why, who, what, how, which, whom. So, okay, so there are 5 problems. At least try to figure out the first problem, the most important problem in your life. Because of that, you feel that you are completely stuck. If that problem is removed, you will be so happy. So try to list out where, why, who, what, how, which, when, and whom. So, but the problem is to whom we have to address. So dear students, please fast. Fine. So I'm just moving. In between, I will call anyone, okay, for the interaction. So we just go to some concepts for our understanding. Okay, so problem solving, it's a power technique. We call it as power. Problem solving power technique. Okay, so P, clearly state, identify the problem or issue. So just to compare with the task what you did before 1 minute, whether you are able to identify the problem and whether you are able to state the problem clearly. I have a problem, I don't know, tell them the problem, please remove the problem. But if you are able to understand the problem, are able to explain the problem, that is the first thing, P. Next to O, examine with the options. So what are the choices? Are you having any choices to overcome? What are the choices? Options, we call it as options. What are the options? One of the option is just to ignore the problem. That may be one of the options, but mostly it may not possible for you. So examine options, what you have to overcome it. And weigh each option. So for example, as you listed problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you also have to list down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. In this, try to find out which option will be good. So all the options will have positive and negative consequences if you are trying something. So for example, if you are writing the exam, you try to copy. That may be one of the options to escape from the exam. But whether it's a right, it's a negative, it will create a negative consequences. Okay, so similar way for every problem, you will have a number of solutions. Please weigh, give a weightage. And you have to elect and enact. So from this, you have to select any one better solution. So then it is not over. After the implementation or after the testing of the choice, you have to review. You have, for example, for a single problem, you have 5 options. So please, again, I'm telling, please connect your one selected problem. Then only you are able to understand. Otherwise, it will be conceptual. You identified one problem. For that one problem, you identified 5 or few choices or options. Among the option, you are giving some weightage. Some options will give come back with the negative consequences. Something will come with the positive consequences. And you try to implement the best option. Then also just to review whether your problem is resolved. And what are the reflections? If you feel the next option is good, if you are able to replace the earlier option, that is the next thing, it comes under review. So you should have a power to give the solution to your problem. So what is this? First thing, very important thing is you have to understand what is your problem is. Whether you are able to explain the problem. Are you able to find out the options for the problem to overcome? Whether you are able to give the weightage which is good or bad. Whether you are able to select any one option. After that, if you are implementing that option, are able to review it and you get the reflection, and if possible, you can continue or change that. So please, again, I'm telling that please connect to your problem you are facing. Okay. Yes. The same thing is explained in a different way. Okay. The same power is just explained in a different way. First thing you have to identify, explore options, and get a clear goal why you want to achieve, and look for the alternatives, select the better alternative and implement. So there are a number of books will be giving 5 steps, 3 steps, 7 steps. Don't worry about the steps. The thing is you have to understand it first. Fine. Why the problem solving is said to be a very good skill. So effective problem solver. So we will call somebody as an effective problem solver. In our family, we have a very good problem solver. It's our mother. So whatever the problem, she may have a physical problem, mental problem, problem from us, problem from her relatives, but still she is able to solve most of the problem. So what is the mentality of that effective problem solvers? They find a chance to learn from each problem. So whenever there is a problem comes, whenever there is a challenge comes, they try to learn from each problem. So that is if we are not a problem solver, that is our negative. So if you feel somebody is a good problem solver, means they will observe the problem, identify the problem, and they try to learn from the problem. Whatever the problem, whether it is a small or big. And they will try to grow to succeed where others have failed. So if you have a problem solving skill, you will grow faster than others, because first you accept that is a problem and you are able to analyze the problem, you are able to find out the option, and you try to learn new things from the problem, so that there is a more opportunity to grow and succeed than others. So the problem solvers have good attitude. They have good attitude. Yes. So if you want to have a good attitude, so please learn problem solving skill. Yes. So if you ask what they actually follow, the problems are what they actually, so they will say, as we listed earlier, okay, what is the problem and who is involved, why or when it is happening, and they will try to list all the possible solution, and they will find out the strength of each possible solution and list the weakness of each possible solution. So if you have a 5 option, something will give you a good return, something will fire you back. So you should analyze all the SWOT of these problems and select the solution. This is the way they will go, and already we listed earlier. So now all of you please listen to the story. Okay, so please try to connect with the story and try to learn something from it. I'm just reading it. If you want to close your eyes just to hear the voice. Okay, so don't try to read from it. Okay, so I'm helping you. So many years ago, in a small Zizuru village, a farmer had a misfortune of owing a large sum of money to a village moneylender. The moneylender, who was old and ugly, fancied the farmer's young, beautiful daughter. So the moneylender proposed a bargain. He said he would forgo the farmer's debt if he could marry his daughter. Both the farmer and his daughter were horrified by the proposal. That is the first paragraph. So please fix you as a farmer. Okay? Assume that you are a farmer. So the cunning moneylender suggested that they let Providence decide the matter. He told them that he would put a black pebble and a white pebble into an empty money bag. So they are coming with some decision. Then the girl would have to pick one pebble from the bag. If she picked the black pebble, she would become his wife and her father's debt would be forgiven. If she picked the white pebble, she need not marry and her father's debt would still be forgiven. But if she refused to pick a pebble, her father would be thrown into jail. They were standing on a pebblestone path in the farmer's field. So this is the story you may have heard in the childhood days also, just repeating. So again, this is the situation. She has to choose any one of the pebble. With this, her life will be decided. As they talked, the moneylender bent over to pick up 2 pickles. As he picked them up, the sharp-eyed damsel girl noticed he had picked up 2 black pebbles. So what he did? So he picked 2 black pebbles. He is going to put only 2 black pebbles on favor of his decision. He then asked the girl to pick a pebble from the bag. Now imagine that you are standing in the field. What would you do? How, if you are the girl, if you had to advise her, what would you have told her? Okay, so anyone can unmute and tell the answer. You may know this. This is a very old story. Yes, somebody raised their hand, so please ask, allow her to unmute and speak with the voice and video. Answer we mostly know, but what we understood from this?
Sir, so in this scenario,
dear student, can you please switch on the video so that it will come to my view? Because I am using a
since
PPT.
it's like, 2 black things, what we can do, like, so the girl has like one. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but I am unable to see you. Because my setting option is enabled like that. If anybody on the video, then only able to see.
Okay. In this scenario. Okay.
Yes, Anukriti. Now I am able to see one Anukriti. Okay. Yes, please proceed.
Okay, just a second. Actually, like, okay, I'm having a little network issue. Okay, I'll just turn the video.
So switching on the video is the first problem now. Yes, Siraj Jain, I'm able to see your fan, your rack. Yes. So, any others? I can't unmute myself. Okay, so moderators, can you please help? Kashing Kriplani is also rising. So proctors, can you please help the students to unmute?
So,
Yes, please.
so maybe she let it fall so it would like mix up with the other pebbles.
Okay.
So like the moneylender would be forced to show the black one because then she'd be like the pebble fell down, so it mixed up with all the pebbles. Maybe.
Then he will ask to do it again, right? Because the solution is not ended, so he may ask to do it again. Then what you will do? Because we understood that he is a dictator. Okay, so he decided something. He want to. You assume that you are a girl means you have to do something. So he decided the result. So as you said that I can put something I mixed up in, he will say, okay, do it again. What can be another solution? Yes, a few other students also raising the hand, so you can unmute.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. I'm able to see. Kaunak, I'm able to.
One of the ideas I had, she's standing on the field with the pebbles, right? Okay. So maybe when the farmer and the money lender is not looking, she can bend and pick a white one up, and when she reaches to pick one out, she can show the white one.
Okay, maybe yes. But other people also so smart. Okay, so we are able to see. Except the girl noticed him, but other people will be observing her. Maybe the situation. Yes.
Sir, girl can pick one bag and ask the money lender to open the another bag which she didn't choose. And when money lender open the bag which she didn't choose, the black pebble will come out, and the result is the another bag contain white pebble.
Okay, great. Yes, good. So this may be one of the solutions. So I just explained. So what she told, okay, there are the two purples. One is black and one is white. So he has to put both the things. And by the fate, she has to pick something else. But what he did is he put both the black because he wanted to have a favor of the result. But what the girl did is, yes, whatever she picked, if it is white mean another thing should be a black. But what the thing is, both are black. So what she did is, she took one thing, but she had not opened the hand. She just said, whatever in my hand is not that color. So for example, yours is black means mine is white. Okay, yours is white means mine is black. So I won't open, you let open your bag. So if it is open, so obviously it will be just opposite. Okay, so it will be black in his hand. So it is assumption, the opposite is just white. And the farmer, the person, the landlord will not say her to open. Why? If he compels her to open, then again he will be caught. So all the people will understand that he cheated. So at the same time, he don't want to make him feel bad. At the same time, he solved the problem. This is just a way of thinking differently. Okay? It is a very old story, but you people have to think a little bit different. That gives the solution. Okay, so what is the thing is, always don't see the problem as a problem. So from the problem, try to find out the solution. Okay? Yes, let me move on to next. Yes, so try to do this. I will give you 60 seconds. If anybody completed, so please type it. So there should be 3 numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clues was given. Okay. There are 3-digit key. First one number is correct. and is well placed. That means that there is you no need to replace it. From the second key, one number is correct, but it is wrongly placed. So from first one, you can pick one number. Second one, you can pick number. For first one, you no need to change that position. Second one, yes, you have to change the position. The third one, two numbers are correct, but wrong placed. So again, there is another clue. From the first two things, you will be able to identify something. Two numbers are correct, but wrongly placed. First one, rightly placed. Second one, wrongly placed. Third one, both wrongly placed, because there are three numbers. Fourth one, yes, try to find out from the three. The fourth gives a nothing is correct. You have to relate this with others. Again, the fifth one number is correct, but wrongly placed. Yes, I'm getting very good answers. 420, 042, 402, 204. So please think. We have 60 seconds. During the examination, if you are given with the 2.5 hours, please use 2.5 hours. 164. Very good. Different innovative answer. Don't worry about the result. Here, I am not insisting on to get the right answer. How you are thinking matters. That's only. So it's not about the answer. If the answer is wrong, don't worry. Okay, you have a different thinking. That's it. 481. Yes, I am getting 400 different answers. Wow, all the permutation and combination. Good. Fine. So before going to the answer, we'll just check what is the process it's involved. When you want to find out a solution for a problem, first one number is correct and well placed. Actually, the solution is existing. We have to find out the solution for your problem. Solution is there. The number two, one number is correct but wrongly placed. The solution is there, but it is kept somewhere else. Okay, you are keeping that solution in the wrong place at the wrong time or with the wrong person. You have to change the solution or change the place of the solution. The third one, two numbers are correct but wrongly placed. Yes, there are two solutions, two options are available, but it is placed by you in a wrong place. For example, you are having good communication skill. Okay, so you are having good thinking skill, but you are communicating wrongly or to the wrong person. You have a very good thinking skill, but you are wasting time in thinking unwanted things. So you have a very good talent, communication skill and thinking skill, but it is put in a wrong place or in a wrong time or with the wrong person. The third one, nothing is correct. You are believing you are having super duper skill, but that is not actually required for you. That is not actually going to give more weightage to your life. That is the meaning here. Then again, one number is correct, but wrongly placed. So you just, and again, it is not step-by-step process. When you are thinking about the first one number is correct and well placed. Okay, one number is correct, but wrongly placed. So first one, you will get one clue. Second one, you are getting clue. Third one, two numbers are correct, but placed. So you just compare first one, second one, third one. Fourth one, very important clue, nothing is correct. So from first, second, third, you found something. Next, nothing is correct means in the first three solution, the fourth one should not be there. That means 7, 3, 8 should not be your answer. In all the three digits, it should not be 7, it should not be 3, it should not be 8. If you come to the fifth one number is correct but wrongly placed. So for example, from the fifth one itself, we are able to understand 7 is wrong, 8 is wrong. Correct? Just to see fourth and fifth. 7, 3, 8 is wrong means 780. One number is correct but wrongly placed means 7, 8. We have to remove. Are you getting a point? So already I told you have to list down the various options for your problem. Identify. When you want to evaluate each and every problem, please don't see one by one. This problem, this plus minus. Second option, plus minus. Third option, plus minus. Give a weightage to the positive and negative just to compare. If you adopt this, what will happen? If you adopt this, what will happen? So this is not for a bustling game, but for thinking about your solution. So the answer is 062. Okay. So likewise, a lot of solutions are available on the internet. So I am not looking into your numerical skills. Just I want to know how we have to relate with each problem and how you want to relate with each solution. That's matter. Don't be just unique in thinking about your problems and assumptions. That is the, yes. Next, this is again your known stories. Okay, so the Akbar Birbal story contains some tales of high Birbal. Birbal. So the person called Birbal solved a situational problem by simple method without breaking any ground rules previously. So this is also a very old story that we studied during 5th standard or 6th standard, I believe. Okay, so this is a story. So please read. One story tells of an apple placed in the center of 10 cross 10 meter carpet. But it is instructed with the challenge to retrieve the apple without using any external contraption or touching the top part of the carpet in any way. So there is a very big carpet is there in the center. Assume that apple is kept. The two things, you should not walk. You should not get into it. And you should not use some other thing to pick. So what we will do, we will take some stick, we will take something hole. You should not do that. So you should not walk into the carpet. Okay, you should not use any external things to grab it. Okay, and it is very distant. If it is easy, for example, dustbin, I will take easy. It is very distant. Okay, so how you will pick the apple? Again, it is just a remembrance. It's not a very great logical story. If you remember the story, just type the answer or please unmute and tell. And please think differently. There's a very big carpet. In the center, apple is kept. You have to take the apple out in your own hand only. You should not get others' help. You should not use other devices. You should not walk in the carpet. How you can pick the apple? And somebody's are innovatively putting, disturb the carpet. Okay, again, the apple should not fall in the floor. Please think fast. Yes, fantastic. Yes, the answer is rolling or folding apple. Yes, Rohit, you already raised, but many people also answered. So just the thing is, always if we have a problem means we will see the problem. Okay, and we will see the only constraint. So what is the problem here? We have to pick the apple. What is the constraint here is we should not walk in the carpet. So we always think around. We will not think differently. But what is the answer is? There is an option. It's only you cannot walk into the carpet, just to walk near the apple and pick it. Yes. Aryas, it is said that you cannot walk in the carpet. Just to walk near the apple. The apple is in center of the carpet and it's very distant from you. You can't pick it up. Okay. So the answer is you have to roll or fold the carpet. So you can fold it. So when you're folding, you can walk it. You should not walk in the carpet, but there is no rule that you should not fold it. Okay. So this again it says that when you are looking for a problem, don't think about the problem. Okay. So here the answer is not with the apple. Okay. Here it's not with the trying to pick the apple. I'm just thinking about other constraints. I'm just folding. I should not walk into the carpet. What I can do? Somebody told innovatively, we can disturb. Yes, that is a very good solution. Yes, actually we disturb, but when you are disturbing it, we should be very careful. It should not fall. So what is the way? We can fold it very carefully so that we will reach the apple. We will take from the our hand itself. Okay, this is another problem. So the problem solving is, it's not we should there is no need to have a very great knowledge, etc. Okay, so we should think differently. Yes. There are some other major problems the employers feel with the employees. Okay, so we'll come to the corporate life. We assume that we all placed maybe next year or very next year. Okay, so what are the major problems employers feel with the employees? So you have to think, sometimes you have to think like an employer. Okay, so always late, whispers to others to start side conversation during the discussions, get upset, some people are demotivated, and when the boss is speaking, some people will interrupt and they will leave the job earlier, have more absenteeism, okay, and they will tell jokes and disturb, again, refuse to work with another setting, so there is no team play and won't share the leadership role. Even some people are fighting for the leadership, even we give the leadership role, they won't take. And most of them, they feel asleep and just sit there itself, they are not moving around and doing something else. So these are the few problems you may face. Okay. Are we among that employee? So now itself just to think, if you enter into any corporate, any one of them, because the few things currently we are doing. But now it is looked as a fun among our friends. Most of the things are unknown because in the classroom we are maybe sitting as a 60 people. If you are doing these things as a behavior, it is very rare to see by others. Okay, and in the family also, most of the times we are outside, we will go to ground, go to friend's room, we will do whatever, nobody will be monitored. But we enter into the corporate life, okay, even they were given with a very big air cooler room, air conditioned room, but you are monitored always. Even your single movement, your eye movement, what is the word you are speaking will be monitored sometimes. So we should be very careful. So as an employee also have to think, and from the employer side, yes, human beings are like that only, but what have to do to change them? That also you have to think. So these small things also may become a problem. Yes. So whatever the problem you are having, you should have a checklist. Okay, already we listed. It is given in the detail. Okay, that you can think around. Yes. And this is again a simple thing, because why I am taking a very old stories from the childhood days. There is nothing new to learn. Only the technology has grown. But we can learn many things from our first standard, second standard, that childhood days itself, or from that books itself. Okay, so this is also another lessons we learned during our school days. Okay, so this is the Robinson Crusoe Island. So this is the island, you are left alone. Okay, so you have a lot of options. So there is a problem, you are alone, you are in between nearby the island. So there is no proper water, no proper food, but you have to live. How you can live? You have a n number of options. So please, all of you have your paper and pen with you. You have a n number of options. Please pick only 5 out of that. You are given the option to pick 5. I have one more slide. Okay, so I have one more slide. So here, if you want to pick anything, so please pick first. To survive in the island, you have n number of options, but your options are limited to only 5. Please choose any 5. So here I need a few people to answer the 5 options. The 5 options can be anything. There is no right answer, no wrong answer, but you have to justify why you chosen the 5. Just I'm moving to the next slide for more options. So please think logically, rationally. Please keep you in that place. What are the 5 important things that saves your life for at least for some days? Again, I'm moving back to the previous slide. If you want to add anything, you can add. So I request few students, so please unmute and tell me any 5. Yes. So can anyone student, so please unmute yourself. So you can raise your hand, you can unmute your video and audio, or you can raise your hand so the moderators will unmute you. Yes. Rasika, please. Rasika, please switch on your video so that I can able to see. Yes. Yes, Rashika. Yes, Rashika is there. Jiva ma'am is also ready. Okay. Okay. Yes, Madhumita. Yes, yes. So as of now, we have Rashika and Madhumita alone. Yes, please.
So the 5 things I would carry are compass, the container of water, matches, beans, and tarpaulin.
Very good. So with this 5, you are able to survive. And some people are putting radio. Yes, sir, I don't need anything. Please give me radio. I will hear song. I will live for 1 year. Great. Good. Yes, yes, Rashika. Can you please explain why you chosen the 5? Unmute, please. Jeeva ma'am, please help her to unmute.
Sir, please hear me?
Yes, I am able to only see. If anybody switched on, I am able to see. Yes.
Yes. Will you hear me right now?
Yes, yes. Rashika, you want to say anything? Please wait, Rohit.
Okay, sir.
Nothing. Okay, fine. Madhumita? Yes. Please unmute.
I would like to choose a compass, a very strong knife, 10 boxes of matches, 5-liter water, and a large selection of vegetables. This will help me to survive.
For how many days?
At least 10 to 12.
10 to 12 days. Fine. Good.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madhumita. Yes. Yes,
So now
Rohit. Yes, Rohit.
My first priority is mirror, and second is water.
Yes, Rohit, very good. Mirror. Yes, please explain me mirror. Why? Sir, if I see my face, I live for 10 years, sir. Self-motivation, huh? Please unmute. Rohit, unmute.
Could you hear me now?
Yes. Why mirror? Answer only for that.
Sir, actually, he's staying in Island, right? He can't give any communication signals to others.
Okay.
Through the mirror, when he shows to the open space, the reflection will be shown to any ship like that. At that time, any ship is passing nearby, something he can give signal, right?
Okay.
And,
okay, I understood. Okay, understood. It's not to see you, right? Okay, good.
Something signal will be given, right?
Yes.
Someone is in danger like that.
Yes, balance 4.
Next is water, and 50 matches, 50 matchboxes, and a spade, and 50 fish hooks.
Okay, good. Very good, Rohit. Yes, last one, Sayani. Sayani, you can unmute. Jeeva ma'am, can you please help Sayani to unmute?
So for me, I can see only their roll number.
Yes. Sayani, you can do. What you have to do means the picture is there, ma'am. There you have to unmute, ma'am. As the picture is visible, we can ask to unmute. We can click. Yes, Sayani, you can speak now.
Yes, sir. 10 boxes of matches, a large selection of vegetables, a very sharp, strong knife, 25-liter container of water, and a bow and plenty of arrows.
Okay, great. So with this, you are able to cook. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you will eat, you will drink, and you will enjoy life.
And so with the bow and plenty of arrows.
Okay. So thank you, dear students. Okay. So again, I'm saying there is nothing right or wrong. It is your decision how you are solving, because we are having around 20 plus option. You have to choose which is good, which is bad for you. Okay. So next time, moving fast. Others, please mute yourself. Others. Laksha is taking class to others. Yes. Good. Fine. So finally, the problem solving is by our choice from the chances. Okay. So we are given with a lot of chance to escape from the problem or to achieve the goal, but it is our choice to take it or not. Okay. So the main thing. So here I am going next 10 minutes. I'm just going with the exercise if possible. Okay. So we have to observe. We have to observe us first. We have to observe others. We have to observe whatever nearby us to find out the solutions. Okay, so we should be very keen in it. And from few observations, we got lot of solutions. Okay, the picture will speak more about it. There is no need to explain. Okay, so from where we observe, and from that, what is the solution we got for the problem? These are the technologies we inspired from the nature. And this is another picture. This is the base for solar power. And this is another picture how we constructed our electricity pillars. How it is, even it is a very heavy, how it is successful. And how the swimming dress or for other innovative things, how it is designed from nature. And how the flights are designed, or airplane, rocket, etc. Actually, they are designed from birds' wings. And you can see how the injection, so how we inject, is a learning from our mosquitoes. Okay, so without having a very big hole, without, most of the time we won't recognize, after the injection only we understood mosquito bite. So the same way injection also work, and how this robotic arms work, which is similar to the elephant. Okay, so this is the next one. So when there is a problem, we always think about these things. Okay, so we will look into the struggles, we will look into the obstacles, how I can enter into, how I can overcome. But there may be some other option. Please ignore the problem. Please ignore the problem and just have your own way. That is also another way of coming out of the problem. If you can't fight with anyone, please just come out of it and lead the life. The same way, always there is no need to think about only the shortened paths or the pains. Just have a separate path. That is also another thing. Okay, and the problem you have to understand first. So here you can see the picture, you know the meaning. Okay, so how we are seeing it, whether the problem is facing us or whether the problem is going side. So that is your illusion. So you have to understand and observe. That's why I told, please observe it, whether the problem is facing you or problem is for someone else. Okay, so again, when we come into the corporate, when we say the problem solving, this is the picture you all already seen in the websites. Okay, so every time the understanding differs and create more problems. Okay, the problem is mostly created by you. So for example, here you can see how the customer explained to it. For example, you want to make a product. The first customer explained this like this, but come to the last picture, in what way the customer is actually needed. He need a product like this. The last one, the 10th picture, the 12th picture. Okay, this is the last picture. This is the product he is actually looking for. But how he explained initially, but please check what are the way we understood in the process. So the solution for the problem is very easy, but that may not be explained by the customer properly, or that may not be understandable by us very properly. Sometimes the customer is having different perception, expectation, etc. That may not be understood by others. Finally, we'll come up with a very good, fantastic decision, but finally it's not going to solve your problems. Okay, this picture will tell you more. For most of the solution, it is from us only. So for the solution for most of the problem, it is we, or it is I can create. For this, a very important thing is we should be very flexible to understand the problem, to go with the problem, to overcome the problem, to change myself, to accommodate with others. Yes, this is the word called the flexibility. So we call it as a behavior flexibility in neuro-linguistic program. There is a psychological study. Okay, so having choices in all ways, approaches, in communicating, in evaluating, in feeling, behavior, thinking, expressing. If something is not working, try think differently for achieving same goals. Edison said this. Okay, so I not failed 1,000 times, but I identified 1,000 ways I should not do that work to achieve the goal. So we should have flexibility. If something is not working, please listen, please observe, please have an alternate way of thinking, or if it is not working, just ignore it. So we should have a flexibility. If you are so adamant towards the goal, which is not at all going to work out, that is a very big failure. Okay. Yes. So another thing, you don't just see the problem, observe. Most of the thing we are reacting. If somebody says, somebody look like this, somebody, so don't just see, observe. Observe is a careful investigation of the problems. Okay. So another problem solving method we are calling as the 3 things we are doing mistake. Okay. Deletion, distortion, generalization. When we see others, when we hear others, when we observe others, we will do 3 mistakes. Deletion. There are some lessons, something is very important we have to learn, but we will delete according to our comfort. If the faculty is saying something, if the boss is saying something, if the parent is saying something, means we will try to delete it, which is not comfortable. That is the first problem. Distortion. We try to change according to our convenience. Distort. If the objective is like this, if the path is something else, we will change according to us, but we have to go according to the objective only. And general things, generalize. Don't generalize the facts. The problem may be a common, but how it affects me, affects you, affects the third party, affects the fourth one will be different. So don't have the same solution for the same problem for the different people in the different situations. So you have to think every time. So you have to avoid deletion. You have to observe everything. You have to listen everything carefully. Don't try to delete anything. Don't try to change the solutions. Then don't try to generalize. Every people are different. Every problem is different. The same problem for different person in different situation will be different. So don't have the single solution. Have the choices. Okay. So here I have one exercise. Here there are two exercises, but I won't find that much time. Jiva ma'am, I have only 10 more minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I have only 10 more minutes. So there are two techniques. I will try to do one technique possible. Okay. So the simple thing, association and dissociation. So one thing we will say, please try to associate with positive people, positive solutions, and try to come out of the failures. Don't think about a negative word. These are two important words, but it will take another 1 hour to explain. Okay, so and the solution to more problems, every time check, are you towards your goal or away from your goal? You have your own objective, okay? Whatever your behavior, whatever your actions are towards your goal, or it is away from your goal, you have to check it. And if you are speaking, okay, so if you are speaking, so ask your friend, so after this class, try to make some friends to speak or make a call, try to write down the words what they are saying, or if possible, try to record it and just see how they are using the word. Ask, how are you? Just simple word, how. We are not having time, otherwise I will just show you. Ask, how are you? Some people always will say, sir, once upon a time, I belongs to the King family. I was a very talented person. Always they speak about the past. Whether it's a negative or positive, they'll speak about the past. Some people will be in the present. They won't bother about the past. They won't bother about the future. Only they will be in present. Please observe the words. And some people, sir, I want to become like this, sir. I want to do like this, sir. And the problem also, they will say, sir, tomorrow that's an issue. What is happening happily today, they won't bother. So when you are observing others, when you are listening to others, please check their words, please check their behavior, how they are linked with the past, linked with the present, linked with the future. For example, if the Stephen sir is here, if I am speaking with you, means I have to observe if I want to match with him. If he is speaking about the past, means I also have to use the word from the past. Sir, once upon a time I am a king. Then I have to start, once upon a time I am a sports player. I have to speak past, then only it will match. If somebody is going to speak about the future, I want to become, then I have to also speak about the future. So your friend is speaking about the past and you are speaking about the future, it will not link out. If you are speaking about the present, your friend is speaking about the future, it won't link out. So please match their words. Please, that we call as empathy. Please keep your mind state in others' mind state and match. Then slowly drag them to the present. The same way, if I ask you to tell about yourself, okay, again, I'm not having time. Please write down 10 points about you. In the please check how things are related to the past, how much things are related to the present. Very rarely you'll be speaking about the future. If you are relating to the future, then you are very clear. Then you can plan for the present. If you are speaking only about the past, nothing with the future, means your present cannot be planned. Okay, so this thing also you can observe it. Okay, now I am going to this one. So Jiva ma'am, I may take 5 to 10 minutes. If I take means just text me. So now I request all the students to switch on your videos. So it's just an exercise. We will try. I already told that everybody is having one problem. Okay, so everybody is having a very most important problem. So please think about the problem. It's just an exercise. For someone it will work out, someone it will be different. So you can try it differently. So please, all of you, switch on your videos. Okay, it's just for my observation. So please, all of you, close your eyes. Please switch on your video. Please don't see others. So please cooperate. We will try whether it is working or not. Okay, so please, all of you, close your eyes. Please sit straight wherever you are, whether in a floor or chair, please. This technique is in NLP, Neuro Linguistic. Whatever you want to listen, please listen. No need to see. Yes. So please, all of you, switch on your video so that I can help you. Please, all of you, close your eyes. Fine. So please sit straight. Please close your eyes. Okay. So you should think about one problem. What is the very biggest problem you are having in life? Whatever it may be, there is no need to say. Yes, everybody, please try. Close your eyes. Biggest problem. The problem is not that I will be a happiest person. The problem can be a situation that is maybe happen in the childhood days. It may be your friend. It may be any your fault. Please think that is always disturbing you. Please think about it. Another side, please think about your happiest part you want to achieve. That may be your goal, that may be your career, or it may be some relationship you want to achieve, or it may be asset, it may be a job. So there are, it is very difficult, but you have to think. So first one, please follow. When I am say follow, please follow. Please think about a problem you want to come out. It may be a person. I hate that person, but the person is coming to my mind. I want to remove him from mind. Maybe. Or it may be your behavior, your fear, your stress, your inability. That may be your problem. Or your experience or painful thought. That is one negative thing. Second one, where you want to land up. Where you want to see you now, after 10 years. That's your goal you are keeping in mind. Fine. So now, please observe your breathing. And please try to make your breathing with my pace of counting. Okay. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling. Then just to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to hold. Then exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wherever you are stayed, so please try to control your breath up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will just count. It can be in the inhaling, it can be in exhaling, it can be in the holding. But I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, please, all of you, stretch your or take your hand and keep your hand in front of your eyes. No need to open. You should visualize. Okay, you should keep like that you are reading, right? Just to open your eyes, just to see, check. So I'm keeping like this. Okay, I'm keeping like this, but I am not opening my eyes, but I have to see what it is. Okay, you are keeping a small screen. You are keeping a small screen. In the small screen, just to visualize, just to display your negative, what you want to remove. So please take your hands in front of, it is a small screen. It's like a mobile screen. The mobile screen, please visualize your negative thought you want to remove. Please keep it. Please see it, how bad it is, how it is paining you. It may be a person, it may be a situation. You are seeing, okay? You are able to do 3 things. You are able to see the person or a place or a pain. You are able to see what are the things around it, either a chair or a leaves or a light. You are able to see each and everything. Please visualize. Then you are able to hear something. If there is any words hurting you, if there is any something bad comments, that also you are able to hear at that situation. And you are able to feel how much feeling you are badly. You started feeling it. You are able to see the pain or the negative thing. You are able to hear. You are able to see it. It's happening. Fine. So please. So now you are feeling literally bad because it's a bad situation you want to remove. Okay. Yes. Let it be. Now, in front of that, most probably it should be a wall, or otherwise create a very big screen. No need to open your eyes. Everything in the dream only. Let it hand it be like that. Let it be handed like that. But please create, close your eyes, let it be handed like that. Please create a very big screen. In the big screen, please visualize your achievement or goal or happiness. For example, if you want to buy a home means, please create a home. If you want to become a #1 business person means, please play the video in the big screen. You are with a very great car, with big friends. Your family members are so happy. So please create the scene. Maybe after 5 years, after 10 years, I want to achieve the job. You are with a particular dress. You are sitting in the very great chair. You are driving the very great car with a perfect driver. So in the wall, you are able to see the very big thing. Okay, again, please visualize, please see it. You have to see. So in the big screen, you are seeing you as a very magnified image. It's not like you now. You are so great. You are very happy to see you. For example, you should have some money. I mean, there are n number of money. If you want a home, there is a home. If you want a job, there is a job. If you want to have a relationship, the person is with you. What are the happiest moments that is in the life? You are able to see it. And you are able to hear the voices. Your friends, your family, your neighbors, your relatives, all are appreciating. Yes, you've done what you felt. You are able to feel the applauses. Everybody is appreciating. So you are able to see the picture. You are able to see the video where you want to achieve. You are able to hear the voices. Everybody is appreciating. Now you observe the feeling along with the breath. You are feeling so happy. Feel the eyes. Your eyes are glittering. Feel the hand, feel the body. It's a very enjoyment feeling. Feel the air. It is so fresh. You are living in that place. It may be a garden, it may be a house, it may be a place, it may be a car, it may be an office. You are there. You are able to see the mirror there. You are able to feel proud about you. You achieved it. You are great. It is in a very big screen in front of you. Suddenly see your hand. In your hand, there is a pain. Can you please see? There is a pain. There is a problem. There is an issue which you've seen very earlier. Okay. Just to compare both the things. Please see your hand. You can do visually or you can dream. Okay. So please see your hand. The problem is very small. The challenge is very small. The person who irritated is a very small person. Please check your wall. It is very big. Great. You are able to hear only the positive voice from the wall. You are able to see only the positive people around you. You are able to see that you are feeling so much proud. Just to check your hand. It looks very small. Nothing in this. Whatever I felt the pain is nothing when I am seeing the wall. Whoever are treating me very bad today, they are not important in my life after 10 years. This negative word is not going to affect me because I am able to see the wall. I am achieved. I am so great. If I feel sorry for something, nothing is there. Whoever I lost in my life, whether it's a friend or relative, I gained them. They are enjoying with me at the moment. I am able to see in the wall. I am so happy. What is the problem I felt before 5 minutes is in my hand. It's nothing now. I am able to find out the solution. I achieve. I have only positive persons in the wall. I am able to see the friends, family only with them. There are no negative persons. I am so confident. I am so proud. I am achieved. I am so happy. Yes, now please check your hand. The hand, nothing is there. Okay, it's very silly pictures, silly things. Okay, so please rub it very fastly. Please rub the hand very fastly. Please, nothing. Please assume that we are throwing it away. Please put it, throwing it away. Please see the wall. But still you are there. You are so happy. You are enjoying with your friends. You are able to visualize, you achieve. Even you are thinking about your pain, it's already gone in the air. Please close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Please bring that visual picture moving to you. It may be a very big screen or big wall. It is moving to you. It is coming to you. You are so much magnified. You are able to feel the pleasure. You are able to see. So every people are coming to you. You are sitting in the chair, but who are in the wall, they are coming to you. They are sitting with you in your room, in your chair, and you are able to feel. Now, just to feel your toe, if it is touching on floor, you are able to feel the same feel what you've seen in the wall. Please check with your hand. It is also having so much motivation. Please check with your breathing. Before 5 minutes, it was so stressed. When you think about the pain, it is a very great pain. But even now, if you are thinking about the pain, it is nothing. Because in your heart, you are so successful. You are the problem solver. You solved all the problems. Who are all the negative people? They are not there with you. Who are all the positive people? They are with you. You achieved everything because you are so strong. Okay, so you are able to solve your problems on yourself. You say within your mind, you are so great. You are so happy. You have a right friends, underline right friends, right relatives. You are so confident. Now you have a superpower to achieve whatever goal you want to achieve. Now, whatever the problem in front of you, for that you are having n number of solutions. You are very clear to pick up the right solution. You are able to solve it. Okay, say it with your mind. Yes, I am a successful person. I may face with the problem, but I can solve. The best problem solver for me is me. Okay, now please all of you open your eyes and check the slide. So from this picture, you will understand whatever the problem, leave as it is. If you have a solution, try. If you have no solution, just ignore. Correct? So why, if you are unable to do, if you are unable to perform, why you are worrying? Because you can't do. If you are able to do, yes, you can do. The final answer, don't worry. So thank you all.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Ravindran sir, it's really very interesting. And one more thing, in our busy schedule, we are always, committed with some other work, but we got a time to relax and think about our own problem. We got a chance to meditate about it. So it's really very interesting, as well as it was very useful. I can see that all the students, they are, very particular, and they were, listening to you at all, and, closing their eyes. It's really very interesting to see all the students are who committed with this one. Thank you so much, students, for your encouragement. And here, Ravindran sir, thank you very much for the thing. And with us, Richard sir is there. Sir, you want to say anything, sir?
Yes, can I just, ma'am? Sir, congratulations.
Sir, good morning.
Excellent, and good morning, sir. Very, very enriching session.
Thank you, sir.
I just joined in only the last part, the amount of input that was taking place, and especially with the affirmative thought process towards the end. That is an amazing one, sir. I'm sure students would really benefit from it. And thank you so much for your availability, sir. And it was really an excellent session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Richard sir, for the opportunity, because you always say for every problem, we are the problem solver. We should not depend on others. Everything is within. So thank you for your inputs. Thank you, dear students, and thank you, Jiva ma'am and other moderators. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so dear students, thank you for your, the sincere attention here. And one more thing, next session exactly going to start at 10:30, but almost we are near to 10:23. I hope that you will join.
Can we start at least 5-10 minutes late, ma'am? We will tell the next speaker.
Yeah, sir.
Because
We can
they
go
just
ahead.
finished. They may just want to go to restroom, drink water.
Yeah,
and
yes,
all
sir.
that.
We can understand. Okay, okay, guys. Then we can start our next session at exactly 10:35.
Yes,
Okay, is it
ma'am.
okay, right? 5 minutes extra for you. Thank you so much, guys. Meet you there in the next session. Thank you.
Thank you.